Chapter 1, Number System. Learning Outcomes, Number System, Decimal to Binary Conversion, Binary to Decimal Conversion, Operations on Binary Numbers. Key terms: Number System, a collection of numbers used to describe various quantities. Expansion method, the value of a number is determined by multiplying the digits by the weight of their position and adding the results. Do you know computers only understand binary language? No. Which language is this? It consists of only 0 and 1. Binary number system is what computer uses mostly. What is a number system? The technique to represent and work with numbers is called number system. There are many types of number system. Come, I will tell you. Okay. A computer takes user data and produces information as a result. Despite the frequent interchange of data and information, it's crucial to distinguish between the two terms. In a strict sense, data refers to the raw, unorganized facts and figures that computers process to produce meaningful information. We learn about numbers and counting from an early age. Toddlers learn at an early age that they can carry 2 cookies, one in each hand. Kindergarteners start counting by 2s and 5s. Invariably, we use the decimal number system. Our number system is based on 10. Most likely because we have a tendency to count using our 10 fingers. Let us learn more about the number system. The digital computer represents all kinds of data and information like audio, graphics, video, text, and numbers in binary form.